Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss three words: deforestation, reforestation, and afforestation. We are all familiar with this word deforestation, which means cutting down of trees over a large area. But are you confident about these words reforestation and afforestation? So let's look at this word reforestation. Reforestation means the act of planting new trees in an area where they were cut down previously. In Punjabi, it means ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਉਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੁੱਖ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਕੱਟੇ ਗਏ, ਦੈਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ reforestation. Next word is afforestation. Afforestation means the planting of trees in an area where there was never a forest or plantation. Afforestation means ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨਵੀਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ afforestation. So let's use these words in a sentence. For example, undoubtedly, deforestation breeds environmental problems. Hence, reforestation and afforestation have become the need of the hour to curb these problems. In Punjabi, undoubtedly means ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ deforestation ਕਰਕੇ environmental problems ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, hence ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ reforestation ਤੇ afforestation ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਘੜੀ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੇ to control these problems, to control environmental problems. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video informative and worthwhile, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.